Hello, my name is Victor Mancusi, and today I'm going to show you guys a very good but old experiment that has been around for a long time. It is very fun, and it's called the Alka-Seltzer film container rocket. I like this experiment a lot because you can learn a lot from it, and it's very easy and safe and very entertaining, especially if you're a young kid. And yes, let's get right into it. All you need for this experiment is some water, Alka-Seltzer, and an old film container. What you do is you open the film container right here. We'll put it right in the middle, and then get an Alka-Seltzer. You're only going to need one Alka-Seltzer pill. You put the Alka-Seltzer pill in the container, and then we're gonna fill it with water, 1 centimeter of water, and then we are gonna see what happens to the container, what happens to the Alka-Seltzer. This stuff you can take all the time. It's for your stomach, and it's good for the body. So let's see what this does for the experiment. And what do you guys think it's going to do? What's your predictions? And yeah, let's get into it. So here we go. We're about to pour the water. After pouring the water, make sure you put the seal on very tight. Make sure you have no air coming through. Then you turn it upside down. And that is what happens. We wonder why this happens because when you take these pills, this is not what happens inside your stomach. You would think that if you took this just with some water, you're not gonna blow your stomach up, or you're not gonna blow up like this happened. So why this happened? Why this happened, the theory behind this is because when the water is added to the Alka-Seltzer tablet, bubbles of the carbon dioxide gas are given off. When the lid is fitted lightly to the container and the gas is contained within an enclosed space, as more gas is given off, the pressure inside the container rises. Therefore, enough forces to overcome the seal of the lid. It's built up, the pressure exerts enough to shoot the canister into the air, foaming and making it a rocket. This is the end of the experiment. You can do it as many times as you want, just be safe. Make sure it is going to blow up. It happens very quickly. And
do it again.
And we'll do it one more time just in case you didn't see it, or you need to make sure if you want to try it again. You got to make sure to make sure after you do it, you got to put it upside down. That's the main thing, because if you just keep it straight up, then it does nothing but foam, which is still a pretty cool experiment, but it doesn't do the big explosion like you would think. So let's do one, but let's put a little more. Let's put a little more Alka-Seltzer in it. Let's see if it's funner, or So I'm gonna put 1.5 in now. Do you think it's gonna blow up more? Do you think it won't work? I think it's gonna make a bigger explosion. What's your predictions? You get your predictions from last time, and I don't know, just make a comparison and see what it is. So here we go for the second time. Let's clean this off, and this is how it looks. The Alka-Seltzer only, it's foamy, but it's still. So this is a lot more than last time. So let's see how it goes. Ready?
think it went higher. I think it went higher.
Pretty much, it's pretty much the same outcome. It might have went a little higher. It definitely launched a lot faster. The explosion came a lot faster, so it kicked in a lot faster, which you know, I kind of thought that would happen. So yeah, that's it. Maybe went a little higher, not too much higher. Didn't explode more everywhere. But yeah, that is all pretty much for the Alka-Seltzer rocket film container experiment. I hope you guys learned a lot, and I hope you guys try this at home and could do it with your friends and could teach them something. Thank you very much. Have a good day.